Alright, to replace the rear speakers here, we've already opened the trunk, disconnected the speaker from the trunk side from our troubleshooting video a little earlier. But we're going to take our pry bar and we're going to start at the far outside edge of this speaker grill and pry the edge of this up, work our way around, and it will pull towards the side of the car. There are two lips here on the side. These things have to pull back to release. These will go in first when reinstalling the grill as well. Now with this grill removed, we're going to remove one Phillips, looks like 8mm bolt as well, here on the side of the speaker. Only one screw holds the speaker in place. Again, we are replacing the speakers because we have no audio in the vehicle. We will have videos for the front door panels as well if you need help there. But with this screw removed, it's only about a 4-inch screw. We're going to see if we can get this up out of here and get the speaker out of the vehicle. Okay, how long is this screw going to be? Alrighty. I'm going to go back to our Phillips screwdriver. I don't know why they made this screw so long. We have a full library of removal guides on our website. If you need other Hondas or Civics, any other models, see our website for help there. Now we're going to remove the screw, and this speaker should pop right up and release and come out. Now there is a gasket on the bottom of it here. We're going to try and keep this gasket. Aftermarket requires some modifications, which sticking with factory makes it very easy to reinstall another speaker. But these speakers are not the best speakers out there. You can find some help with aftermarket installation. There is some modifications required to put an aftermarket speaker in there. Now the factory replacement comes with the seal on the speaker itself. And there's two little openings in the side here that require the two tabs to go into first, and back right down into the two tabs. Lock in that side, push the other side down, and put the screw back in. And this lines up very simple. That's why we like the factory speakers, only because they can they're easier to install. Anyone can do this job. It comes to modifications and installing aftermarket speakers. You may find yourself in trouble trying to figure out the wire color codes so that you get your speaker phasing correct. One speaker out of phase will cause a loss of bass through the entire system because the bass waves cancel out, and having one speaker out of phase will do that. Now we've got the screw back in. Again, we're going to place this cover, the tongues on the inside in first, and it's ready to check. Then we're going to repeat this for the passenger side and the rear back here as well. Hope this video has been helpful. See our website for front speaker door panel replacement and removal. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.